In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform an oil change on your Nissan Armada. Located under the front of the vehicle, let's get started. Moving to the bottom of the vehicle, right in the front, you're going to notice it's going to be two 12mm bolts. In this case, ours is missing one, but you're going to be removing this one. Using a 12mm socket, go ahead and take it out. When you do this, you want to make sure you hold this because it might fall off. Using a 12mm socket, we're going to remove these two bolts. Make sure that you put in pressure onto the plate so it doesn't fall off. Now we can go ahead and remove the whole panel. Next up, we're going to be removing the oil drain plug to drain the oil. Using a 14mm socket, go ahead and remove it. Make sure before you remove the oil drain plug that you have a container to catch the oil that's going to come out of the engine. Remove the oil drain plug. And now let it drain. And now that we have the under tray off the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and remove the oil filter. Using an oil filter removal tool, go ahead and take it off. Get it loose and make sure that you have an oil pan to pick up the oil that's going to come out of it. We're going to go ahead and let that drain. Go ahead and remove the filter. And now we're going to go ahead and wipe off the area before we install the new filter. And here we have the new filter. We're going to go ahead and pre-fill it using brand new engine oil. And another thing you want to make sure you lube this O-ring with some of the new oil. And now we're ready to install it. Go ahead and snug it up. Now we can go ahead and install the drain plug. You want to make sure you get a new crush washer. Go ahead and slide it on and start it by hand. Now we can go ahead and torque it to 26 foot-pounds. Now we can go ahead and install the cover. Feed it to the front. Make sure you keep a hand on it so it doesn't fall. We're going to start by putting the bolts on the back. And now we can install the bolt in the front. There should be another one on the other side, but in this case it's snapped. So we're just going to go ahead and tighten this one. Go ahead and get everything snug. Moving to the top of the vehicle, we're going to go ahead and refill it with oil. The cap is located right on this area. Go ahead and take it off. We're going to be using a small funnel. Go ahead and put it on. And now we're going to go ahead and refill it. For this particular vehicle, it takes 6.9 quarts of oil. Go ahead and remove the funnel. Reinstall engine oil cap. Now go ahead and run the vehicle and inspect for leaks. We're going to get inside of the vehicle and we're going to turn the vehicle on accessory mode. And this is done without pressing the brake pedal. We're going to click it 2 times. And that is going to bring the vehicle into accessory mode. We're going to wait for the screen to turn on. And now we're going to go ahead and press info. We're going to go ahead and select maintenance. And over here, we're going to go to engine oil. Reset distance. And now we're going to be doing the same. And now we're going to go back and do the same on oil filter. Click on oil filter and press reset distance. Go ahead and press back. And that'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. the only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.